and is of late exposed occasion, including a Tesla Model X and a Traveler that was supposedly caught behind the vehicle's electronically incited Falcon Wing entryway, after it was engaged with a mischance and lost power, made them ponder, how can one escape from a Falcon Wing entryway if there's no power? Fortunately, Tesla had just given a response to the inquiry through the organization's Emergency Response Guide, ERG, for Model X. The guide is similar to the crisis clearing sheet that nobody peruses and found on the secondary lounges of airships. As indicated by page 24 of the ERG, each Model X has a mechanical hook supersede link that is reason worked for manual arrival of the Falcon Wing entryway from its locks. A hall link is found simply behind the speaker cover in the front lower corner of each Falcon Wing door. When taking a gander at the speaker cover, Tesla's guide shows that there's a lip in the upper back corner of the cover. Evacuating the cover will uncover the speaker itself and a contiguous thin metal wire. A firm pull on the metal wire towards the front of the vehicle will unlatch the entryway. YouTuber shall archive the way toward flying off the back speaker cover and indicating how one can physically open the Model X Falcon Wing entryway. In any case, the YouTuber noticed that the entryway can be hard to physically open in view of its weight. Interpreted from Mandarin utilizing YouTube subtitles, Zioamage notes, as a man, it is even troublesome for me to push it away, not to mention ladies. Gender predisposition aside, it is obvious from the video that the double pivoted entryway is dead weight and requires some quality to open physically. Zioamage makes the proposal that proprietors should endeavor the procedure as an approach to get ready for a genuine crisis. Strolling through a procedure only one time ahead of time can be sufficient to spare an existence when a genuine crisis strikes. For families with little youngsters, it would likewise be an advantageous exercise to decide a vehicle escape outside of a physically opened Falcon Wing entryway. The video underneath archives the whole procedure for getting away from the Model X second line seating zone.